Greetings, guys. These are specific instructions and a step-by-step video on how to synchronize the scores from the Hayden McNeil lab to the Canvas platform. I need you to actually follow these step-by-step so that all of your scores populate. If your score is not showing on the Canvas platform, it's because you did not do what I am about to show you. With classes, this being the last week of class, I need for everyone who has completed a lab and the score is not showing on the Canvas platform to do this for every single lab. Otherwise, you run the risk of your scores not being calculated within your final grades. So all you have to do is go to modules, like I'm doing right now. And then if you looked every module that you guys have worked on for this school year has at the end a lab assignment. For example, one of the first ones, well, the very first one was this one, required activity, and this one is the scientific method. So all you need to do is really simple. All you need to do is click on the link, click on the tab that says load the scientific, so just click on it, and that's gonna take you to the Hayden McNeil platform, and pretty much that's all you need to do. But the thing is, you need to do it for every single lab that is not showing a score on Canvas. So all you do is go back. Let's say for me, the scientific method was not showing, the acid, bases, and pH was not showing. So all I do is click on the tab that will take me to the Hayden McNeil platform, and that's it. So then I go back, and let's say that the next lab that is not showing the score on Canvas is, I don't know, the DNA virtual lab. So I go ahead and click the load virtual, because what this does is that it creates a path for Hayden McNeil to transfer the score back to Canvas. If you do not do this, then your score will not be transferred, and you run the risk of your final grade being calculated without that score. Remember, labs are worth 25% of your final grade. As always, if you guys, after watching this video, if you still have questions on how to do this, or have any concerns about it, please email me back. Once again, this is the last week. We need to do this. I am going to synchronize labs manually tomorrow morning. So if you could please try to do this throughout today. And so tomorrow I will do one synchronization. All of the labs that you do this, they should synchronize from the McNeil platform to the Canvas platform. I will do then the final synchronization of all labs, as they must be completed by December 9th. On Thursday, December 10th, sometime throughout the day, I will do the final synchronization for all labs. So if you have completed all of them, you should be able to see all of them on the Canvas platform by next Thursday, like this coming Thursday. All right, so email me back if you have questions or concerns. Thank you for paying attention. Bye, and good luck on your essay.